Nodes can have different properties. Double-click the object to create a node. Ideally, you should already have thought about the possible node properties before double-clicking the object. However, it is also possible to change the properties at any time later on. Right-click the fourth tool from the left. You can now see an overview of the 4 different keyframes available. The standard keyframe is a linear keyframe. A double-click produces a linear keyframe. You can see that it is linear in both directions. The node properties can be changed by right-clicking the node and selecting Properties. You can now change the node or keyframe properties. Select Spline and the node becomes curved. When you choose Bezier and Smart Move, you will get 2 tangents, one on the right and one on the left, which you can change independently of each other. This is ideal for soft ramp shapes. Then select Symmetric, and you will get 2 symmetric tangents. When you drag one side, the other side is influenced too. You can use nodes for brightness curves and for the volume of audio objects, but also for camera movements. I have prepared an example to demonstrate the different effects of nodes. In my example, a small picture is moving from the left to the right. The speed depends always on the duration, that is, the length of the object in the timeline. I am reducing the display time a little, moving the locator to the middle and clicking on the picture in the screen. Then I am moving the image up a little higher. You can see that my object's control track in the timeline now shows a node. The Properties table shows you that it's a linear node. I move the locator to the beginning of the image and press the Play button. You can see that the image moves up until it reaches the node and then changes its direction. It's a very straight angular movement and the speed is constant. I can click the node on the control track. It changes to blue, and now I can alter the node's properties in the Properties table. With a setting of Spline, the movement is softer. The setting Smart Move causes the movement to slow down and accelerate again. The speed depends on the smart factor chosen. By double-clicking Smart Factor Left, you can influence the decelerating movement on the left side, or by double-clicking Smart Factor Right, I can influence the accelerating movement.